Look at the eternal form of you souls when you reside in the supreme abode. You souls reside in the supreme abode. You are seen as such brightly sparkling souls. How bright the sparkle of the royalty and personality is. Can you see it? In the form of souls, you stay with the Father. You stay close. You stay close. Just as some stars sparkle very brightly in the sky, in the same way, you souls are especially with the Father, and you are the stars who have a special sparkle. And you are the stars who have a special sparkle. In the supreme abode, you are close to the Father. And then at the beginning of the golden age, the personality and royalty of you deity souls is so high. So high personality and royalty. Go around the whole cycle. Religious souls have come and gone. Great souls have come and gone. Fathers of religions have come and gone. Political leaders have come and gone. Actors have come and gone. Do any of them have such personalities as you deity souls have in the golden age? Your deity forms are appearing in front of you. Are they not? Are they? Are they coming in front of you, or do you not know whether you will become those or not? Is it firm? Is it firm that you will become those? Those sitting at the back, is this firm? Bring your deity form in front of you and look at them. The ones sitting on this side, have those personalities come in front of you? Have those personalities come in front of you? What about those sitting this side? The ones sitting on the side, have the personalities come? There is so much royalty. Even nature becomes such that it has a personality. The birds, trees, fruit, flowers all have a personality. They are royal. Okay, now come down and look at your worthy of worship form. Have you seen it? You are worshipped. Will you double foreigners become worthy of worship? Or will those from India become that? Did you become deities? Did you become deities? Have you become deities? Achha. Not those with an elephant trunk or those with a tail. Not those goddesses with the form of Kali. But look at the temple of the deities. There is so much royalty and personality in your worthy of worship forms. There would be an idol of 4 feet or 5 feet, and they would make such a big temple. The idol would be 4 feet. This is royalty and personality.
Om Shanti.
ओम शांति दीदी। ओम मंडली में आपका स्वागत है
Om Shanti. Welcome to Om Mandali.
दीदी।
Om Shanti.
दीदी हम आगे बढ़ते हैं। तो
We
लास्ट
continue our
एपिसोड में
journey. In our
आपने
previous
न्यूयॉर्क
episode,
की
you had
सेवाओं के
shared
बारे में शुरू
about the
किया था।
services
तो
that happened
मैंने
in
एक
New
प्रश्न
York.
पूछा
I
था
asked you a
आपसे कि
question
न्यूयॉर्क में आने के बाद
after coming to New York.
आपने गयाना हर साल जाते रहे
Were
या
you going to Guyana
आपने
every
बताया था
year?
कि हाँ
And you said
साल में 2 बार
yes,
भी
at
जाते
least
थे,
twice
ज़्यादा
a
भी हो
year you
सकता
would
था।
go, and sometimes even
तो
more than
दीदी
twice a year.
आप एक किस्सा सुना रहे
You
थे
were going to share
जो
us an
शुरू किया था,
incident that
उसको
you
आप
had
विस्तार
started,
से सुनाएंगे कि
and
आप
can
भोग
you
लगा रहे
share
थे
us
बाबा को और भोग बना रहे थे
in
बाबा के लिए,
expansion? You were making
और
bhog for
फिर क्या
Baba, or
समाचार आया
maybe
था
offering
गयाना से
to
उसके बारे
bhog.
में।
It's not you got a message from Guyana. Can you share a little bit about
शांति
that? Om Shanti.
कैरेबियन में
In the
4
Caribbean,
स्थानों पर
in 4
जैसे मैंने बताया
places,
कि सेवा
and
थी।
had shared there were services going
पहले
on.
हेमलता बहन थी मेरे साथ,
There was
फिर
Hemlata Ben
कृष्णा
with me
बहन आई, मीरा
initially,
बहन
and
आई,
then
ऐसे करके
Meera
हम
Ben came, and then
अपने अपने
Krishna
3
Ben.
बहनें थे
Those 3
और एक एक
sisters were
देश
there.
में एक बहन
And in each
रहने
country,
लगे।
there was one sister who started to live in one of the countries, in each of those countries.
काफी परसेंटेज हिंदू पॉपुलेशन थी, भारतवासी।
There were a good amount
तो
of
सेवा सहज थी,
Indian population,
लेकिन
and
अपनी तरह के
the
जो
service was
विद्यार्थी
very
हैं,
easy, but there were
तो
obstacles
दादी
that were
प्रकाशमणि
coming.
जी का बहुत था
Dadi
कि अमेरिका में
Prakashmani
कोई
had
सेंटर होना चाहिए।
a deep thought that there should be a center in America.
तो अंकल का तो ऐसे था,
And
गायत्री के फादर की,
uncle who was
जो
Sister
दादी
Gayatri's
कहेंगे वो
father,
करना ही है।
and whatever Dadi says, we should
तो जब दादी ने
definitely make it
बोला
happen.
तो
And when Dadi
एक
shared,
छोटा सा अपार्टमेंट
and
जैसा
we got a
बनाकर
small apartment, which I shared last time,
कि वो
the previous
अपार्टमेंट कर
episode.
लिया।
We got that apartment.
देखो बाबा का जो स्थान बनता है,
Whenever
तो वो
Baba's
बहुत
place is
सुंदर बन
created,
जाता
it
है।
becomes beautiful
सफाई
automatically.
करते हैं,
We keep it
वाइब्रेशंस
clean,
अच्छी होती
the
हैं।
vibrations are good.
तो फर्स्ट फ्लोर पर ही था, मतलब
So
सीढ़ी
it
से
was
आ
on the
जा सकते
first
हैं।
floor that you could just climb
तो
up and
उस
down.
समय कुछ ऐसे परिवार थे
So there were
जिनको मैं जब पहले
families
न्यूयॉर्क आई तो
when
उन्होंने
I
कहा
first came
आएंगे,
to New York, and they
आपको जो
said, yes, they
सहयोग
will
चाहिए
come,
हम
and
देंगे।
whatever cooperation
तो
you need,
काफी
we will give.
अच्छे संपर्क में
So we got a
जो थे
good,
उन्होंने काफी सहयोग देना शुरू कर दिया।
they were in a very good contact, and they
तो बना
started to
लिया अच्छी
cooperate
तरह से सेंटर को।
very well. And
और
the center was done
भोग
very
बनाने की
beautifully.
मैं एक बार
I
एक
was
गुरुवार
making bhog. It was a Thursday. I was making
तो
bhog,
फोन बजा,
and the phone rang,
तो उन्होंने बोला कि आग
and they
लगी है
said,
गयाना के सेंटर पर।
the center in
और
Guyana
वहाँ
is
पर उस
on
समय कृष्णा
fire,
बहन थी।
and Sister Krishna was
तो
living
जो
at the center
सेंटर
at
है
that moment.
काफी बड़ा है
The center
और
is
बड़ा ही
quite
किचन
big.
था।
It was a big kitchen.
तो जब आग लगने लगी उस समय
So
वो भी
when
भोग
the
लगा के उसने
fire,
पूरा ही किया था।
she had just
तो
offered
उसने मुझे
bhog, and she
बताया
had sat, and she
कि
said that
साथ वाले मकान पर आग लगी तो लकड़ी के
the
मकान है ना,
building which was right next was on
और सब
fire.
पेंट
In
करते
those days,
रहते हैं लकड़ी
it
का,
was
तो
all
आग
the
लगने में
buildings were
देर
made
नहीं
out of
लगती।
wood, and when
तो
there
वो
is
आग
fire, it
जैसे
doesn't take
किचन
time
की
to
जो
spread.
विंडो थी वहां से अंदर घुसने लगी।
So through the windows, the fire started to
तो
come
कृष्णा
in.
बहन अभी क्या करे उस समय
So
पर,
Krishna Ben, what she
और
could
सभी
do?
स्टूडेंट्स आने लग गए थे
So all the
मॉर्निंग क्लास
students
के लिए।
came for the morning class,
तो अंकल आंटी भी पहुंचे और
and uncle
उन्होंने
and
सब
auntie
बोले
also
पहले
reached.
निकलो।
And they said, all the
हर एक
sisters
सोचे
come
कि
out.
क्या निकालें, जल रहा है
So they
वहाँ
were all
पे।
thinking, okay, what can we
उसमें से
remove from
फ्रिज
this
निकालो,
burning
कोई
building?
कहता
Someone
था
said, okay, let's
मूलियाँ
remove the
खा लो,
fridge.
कोई कहता
Some
था
said, pick up the
पैसे उठा
murlis.
लो, हर एक अपने अपने
Someone said,
उससे।
money.
ये
Everybody
भी एक
was
समय
sharing their
होता
own
है जो
thing.
हमें
This
भी
is also a time
मालूम होना चाहिए कि
when we should
इमरजेंसी ऐसे
know
समय
what we
पर
should do in
हमको
an
क्या
emergency
ज़रूरी है।
situation. What is the need of
तो
that
ऐसे
emergency,
करके
in that emergency?
मकान बस एक बार फ्लेम आई अंदर,
So once the flame entered
एक
inside the
छोटा
building,
देश है,
it's a small
एक इंजन
country,
है, वो भी
and it's
धीरे
like one
धीरे धीरे
engine.
धीरे आई अपना बाजा बजाते हुए।
So it
पर
came
तब तक तो
quietly, slowly,
वो कहने
and
लगी इससे तो
was
उससे भी जो तीसरा मकान है उसको बचा ले, ये तो जल ही रहा है।
so they
तो
thought,
एक
okay, well,
लाइट
this is
लगी
burning, and
रास्ते से
anyway,
कि
there was
ये तो
we were
बहुत
in the
बड़ा
middle,
है।
so there was
तो वो
another
लोग उसको
building next
बचाने
to
के लिए
ours. So they tried to
भागने लगे,
rescue that building.
चलो पूरा ही जल गया।
So the whole entire building
तो
of
मैंने कहा ठीक
Baba's
है,
home was burned.
फ्लाइट थी मियामी, पहले वाया
So
मियामी
I
गया,
went to Miami. There was the flight
डायरेक्ट
which was
फ्लाइट थी।
going. There wasn't
तो
any direct
मियामी से
flight, so I had
हमने
to go to
फिर आगे
Miami,
गयाना
and
की
then I went to
फ्लाइट ली।
Guyana.
और जो गयाना की फ्लाइट ली तो
And
9
when I
बजे
took the
करीब पहुंचे।
flight, I reached there around
एकदम
9
कोयले
the
होते हैं ना
night.
जैसे,
No, it was like
है ना।
charcoal.
तो एक सब्जी होती है जिसको इंग्लिश में ड्रम स्टिक्स कहते हैं,
There's a
हम लोग
vegetable
सिंगी
called
बोलते हैं,
drumstick
वो वहाँ
in
बहुत होती है।
vegetable, and they get a lot
शीख
of
का सब
vegetable
बहुत बड़ा पेड़ था,
drumstick in,
शीखे की तरह
and there was
बाजू
a
की तरफ
big
ये पेड़,
tree of chiku.
वहाँ छोटा केला होता है ना, उसके
There were
बहुत पेड़
small
होते हैं।
plantain
तो वहाँ वो
bananas,
लोग यही
sweet
कहते थे
bananas.
कि कभी भी
So they were
अचानक
saying,
कुछ होगा तो हम तो
if
सभी केले खाएंगे,
so, if
ये
they used to say,
खाएंगे,
if anything happens,
इस तरह
famine or
से
anything,
जैसे।
we could survive on
तो फिर
bananas.
बस थोड़ी देर वहाँ रुके, देखा,
So we
थोड़ा योग
stayed there
किया,
for some time. We did some
बहुत गर्म
yoga.
था ना,
It was a lot of
पेड़ ही
heat
जल
was
रहे हैं।
there because it's like charcoal burning.
फिर हम उधर चले गए, मैं अंकल के यहाँ,
Then I went to
उनका
uncle's
घर 3
home.
मिनट की दूरी पर ही
It
होगा
is
बाय
just
कार।
3 minutes away by car. Uncle's home was just 3 minutes
उनके
away.
बाबा का कमरा था, फिर
There was
आप
Baba's
यहीं रहो,
room, and he said,
फिर
just stay
देखेंगे
here.
क्या करना है,
Well, let's
भविष्य क्या
see
है, इस
what we have
प्लानिंग
to do in the
करेंगे।
future. Let's plan.
ऐसे
But you
करते
just stay
हुए
here.
फिर दोनों तरह से था,
It
सारी
was from both the
वहाँ की
sides.
गवर्नमेंट, वहाँ
The
के लोग,
government, the
बड़ी
local
बिल्डिंग थी,
people. It was a
बहुत
big
ही
building.
न्यूज़ आई,
It was
सभी
in
लोग
news.
सहानुभूति
Everybody
कहने
was
लग
very
गए, बताओ हम
patient. They
क्या
were very
करें, क्या सेवा
compassionate, like
करें।
condolences. I was saying, okay, everybody started to ask how, in what way we
तो
can
फिर
help you.
हमने कहा कि ठीक है,
We said, okay,
बाबा को भोग लगाएंगे।
let's offer bhog to
ऐसे
Baba.
धीरे धीरे उन्होंने वहाँ ही भोग ले गए वो लोग, और आंटी के यहाँ ही भोग लगाया।
We offered bhog in uncle and auntie's place,
तो फिर ऐसे करते करते प्लानिंग की।
and then they
तो
planned.
दोनों तरह से होता है, प्रकृति की परीक्षा आती है,
So it's a test
पर फिर
paper from
बाबा तो
Mother Nature.
प्रकृति का भी मालिक है ना।
Baba is also the
तो
Lord of
उन्होंने और ही
nature.
जोश में आके कहा हम इससे भी बड़ा बने, हम
So
बहुत अच्छा बनाएंगे,
they said,
लाइट
okay, we're
हाउस
going to make
बनाएंगे,
a bigger
3
house,
महीने के
bigger
अंदर
building than
बनाएंगे।
this.
और
Within 3 months, we'll do a big lighthouse
दादी
building.
जानकी को, जयंती
And
बहन सबको
we'll
उद्घाटन के लिए
invite Dadi
बुलाएंगे।
Janki and Jayanti Ban
तो
for the inauguration.
सभी ने देखा ना, मेन
So
रोड पर
everybody
था,
saw it was in the
बड़ा
main
मेन
road.
रोड है, हाईवे बोलते हैं।
It's in the highway. It's in the
तो
main road.
सभी आते जाते देखते थे।
So everybody who would come and go,
एक
they would
तो
observe.
अंकल खुद भी इंजीनियर था,
And
उनकी
uncle
कंपनी थी,
himself was the
फिर
engineer
लड़के
and
भी
he had a
इंजीनियर थे,
company.
उन्होंने
The
मिलके
sons
बहुत
were
अच्छा
engineer.
प्लान बनाया।
So they all together made a very
उस
good
प्लान में
plan.
यही ऐड किया कि एक
And
लाइट
they
हाउस
added
बनाएंगे।
that we should make a
लाइट
lighthouse.
हाउस बनाया जिसके अंदर
They
से
made a
सीढ़ियाँ
lighthouse. So there were staircase within the lighthouse from which they
3
could
महीने
climb
में
up.
तैयार किया।
Within 3 months,
आश्चर्य तो ये
they
होता
appraised
था
the
कि
building
ऐसे
and
ही
they were
देश में
surprised
जहाँ
that in
कुछ भी
such
आप
a
छोड़ो
country
चोरी हो जाता था,
where whatever you
पर
leave
हमारे
is
पास से
stolen
कुछ भी कभी
and
कितना भी सामान
nothing,
पड़ा था,
no matter how
चोरी नहीं
much
होता।
material was there, nothing was
फर्नीचर की
stolen.
दुकान वालों ने फर्नीचर
The
दिया,
furniture
दिया।
people, the
प्राइम
company who had,
मिनिस्टर ने
they
कहा
gave
आपको
furniture. The
जो भी
prime minister said,
कहीं से भी
whatever,
मंगाना हो हम
if you want to
अपने प्लेन
bring,
में ला
ship
के
anything,
देंगे।
we will bring it in our aeroplanes.
देखिए सेवा, हर एक बात में सेवा ही होती है, हर
In
परिस्थिति में।
every aspect, in every
तो
situation,
फिर
service
3
is
महीने में
merged.
बन गया।
And within 3 months, the building was
तो उसके बाद
constructed.
फिर मैं बीच में भी आती रही न्यूयॉर्क,
And after that, I started to
और तो
come
कोई
in
नहीं था।
between to New York because nobody else was there.
तो वहाँ पर जब हम आए न्यूयॉर्क में,
And when I
तो
came to New
उन्हीं
York,
दिनों में थोड़े दिनों के बाद एनीवे
um,
फिर मकान बना, उद्घाटन
The
हुआ
building was
धूमधाम से,
constructed, it was
तो सबको
inaugurated,
ये आश्चर्य हुआ कि
and
3
everyone
महीने
was
में
surprised, like
एक
how in
गवर्नमेंट भी
3
इतना बड़ा
months,
हॉल बना
even a
सकती जो
government
प्लान
can't
कर रहा।
create such a
भैया
big
तीनों
building.
महीने वहीं रहे
And
थे।
then uncle did. So
क्योंकि
Didi
सारा
stayed
देखना
there for
होता
3
था ना,
months
फिर
because
आगे
she
क्या
had to
होगा।
supervise everything and what we have to do in the
फिर
future.
उसके बाद वापस
After
आए,
that, I came back to New
तो
York.
1980 में
In
मुझे ख्याल आया
1980,
वहाँ पर
I
कि
thought that
मैंने जैसे बताया सिंगापुर वगैरह की कॉन्फ्रेंसेस में कुछ न्यूयॉर्क के भी संपर्क बने थे।
we had some
उन्होंने कहा था
connection
जब
with
आप
New
आए ना,
York,
तो उसमें यूएन की बात चली थी।
and we had this thought of doing
तो
things in New York
अगर
as well.
हमें वो बनना है जिसको नॉन गवर्नमेंटल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एनजीओ बोलते हैं,
We say it like an
तो
NGO. We
एप्लीकेशन
call it an
वगैरह
NGO.
डालेंगे वो।
So we have to apply for it.
पर उसके बाद फिर हमको इससे ज़्यादा स्टेटस चाहिए तो उसको बोलते हैं
If we have to get a status more than that, it's called consultative status
सलाहकार
at the
के रूप
UN.
में। उसमें 19 गवर्नमेंट
In
जब आपको
that,
पास करे, अप्रूव
about
करे,
19
तभी आप कर
government
सकते
has to approve. Only then.
हैं। तो हमारे यूएन के सामने ही अमेरिकन एम्बेसी है, बिल्कुल सामने। तो हमने कहा चलो बड़े
Right in
देश
front of Baba's building, there is
क्योंकि
the
मैंने
US,
भी ऐसे देशों को
US
ज्वाइन किया
Embassy,
और हम बिल्कुल नए थे, तो हम
and we were
यूएस
very
एम्बेसी में
new.
गए,
So we went to the US
एम्बेसडर से
Embassy.
मिले,
We met the
तो
ambassador.
एकदम एम्बेसडर मैं तो अप्रूव करूंगा ही। तो
So he
कहता है
said,
कि
I will
मैं
definitely
गयाना में
approve this.
एम्बेसडर था
He said, I was an
और मैंने
ambassador
देखा
in
था आपलोग का
Guyana and
मकान
I
जला
saw how your
और 3
building was
महीने में
burnt,
वहाँ पर
and
मैंने
within
मकान
3
खरीदा था, बहुत
months you were
प्रभावित
able to reconstruct this building. And I'm
पहले कर
really
दिया।
influenced and I will
आश्चर्य हो गया
sanction
मुझे।
this. It was like an
वही मैंने कहा
auspicious
ना, एक
thing.
तरफ ऐसा
So
होता है तो
one
दूसरी
side there
तरफ
will be, you see the destruction, but on the
और
other
वहाँ
side,
पर फिर
there
जब
is
19
always benefit.
पास करते हैं
And when 19
तो बड़ी
countries
असेंबली
pass,
में
then in the bigger
आता है,
assembly, it comes in the,
तो एक दो
it
देश
gets
थे
passed in the
उन्होंने
General
थोड़ा सा
Assembly.
इनको
So
एकदम मत
one or
करो,
two
इनको
countries
थोड़ा
said, no,
ट्रायल
don't make them,
प्रोजेक्ट 1 साल
keep
दो।
them on a trial and then decide.
लेकिन जो अमेरिका की तरफ से एक बहन थी अमेरिकन,
There was a,
उसने सबसे पहले
there was a lady
अप्रूव
from
किया, उसके
America
बाद
and she
दूसरे।
first got up and she said, I'm
तो
going to approve you.
मैंने ये देखा कि एक सेवा का
And when
साधन
I
बन गया।
saw this became a means for
फिर
service,
एम्बेसडर था,
and there was an
तो
ambassador as well,
कुछ फैमिली इसको जानता भी था।
and he knew some families
ये
as
लाइट
well.
हाउस बनाया बड़ा।
This is the picture that you're seeing. It's the lighthouse,
अभी
which is
उसके बाद एक बार फिर आग लगी,
the
वो
building
साइड
was
में ही
burned again.
बेडरूम में शायद इलेक्ट्रिकल वो हुआ था।
So
ये तो बहुत
in the
अच्छा
bedroom
बनाया,
there was an
मैंने तो
electric building,
देखा है।
electric short circuit, and this is
और
the new
अभी
building
है
which is
और इस
reconstructed
लाइट
again.
हाउस के अंदर से सीढ़ी ऊपर जाती है।
दीदी
And
सबसे
this
सुंदर सेंटर है।
this is one of
और
the
अभी
most
जो
beautiful
नया बना है
center.
ना,
This is
वो
the this is the newly
जिस
constructed
कुमार
one.
ने उन्हीं का जो लड़का है
One of the brothers, Gayatri Ben's
कृष्णा भाई।
brother, Krishna
कॉन्ट्रैक्टर
Bai,
है,
he's
कृष्ण
a
भाई।
contractor as well.
उसने कहा मैं बना के दूंगा।
He said,
और
I will do this,
जिसने
I'll
पहला
construct
मकान
this.
बनाया था उसका लड़का
The one who had constructed it
कॉन्ट्रैक्टर उसके
initially, the
लड़के ने ही कहा
contractor.
मैं बनाता हूँ, कर जाता हूँ। पर
So
इन्होंने
uncle
क्या
had
किया
did the
अभी
first
दूसरी
one and
तरफ
his son did the second time.
थोड़े वहाँ अपूर्व आत्माओं के चित्र,
So at the
मतलब
back
बहुत
of this
अच्छा वातावरण
upstairs at the
बनाते हैं।
back, it's their ancestors' pictures are there so
आप
that we
देखिए
could create
बहुत
such.
सुंदर है।
You are seeing how
ये बाबा का
beautiful,
रूम भी एक हट की तरह है,
and
अलग
Baba's
से।
room
और
is
एक
also
हॉल
like
के
a
अंदर ही
hut.
उन्होंने
Within the
बाबा का
big
दीदी
रूम
बाहर
room,
भी एक है ना,
there is
दोनों
one at
बाहर
the
हॉल
गार्डन
outside
में
as
भी
well.
है।
In the garden also,
गार्डन
there
में
is
जैसे बाबा की कुटिया है ना वैसे
there is
बनाया।
Baba's hut
तो जो
in
पहले आते हैं कहीं वहीं
the
बैठते
garden,
हैं,
and
तो
some
एक
people sit
बाबा
over
के
there
रूम
and
में
meditate,
बैठते
and
हैं।
some people go
क्या है कि
upstairs and meditate
भावना
in
से बहुत
Baba's room.
बना है,
It's
तो
been
चाहे आप
created with a
परीक्षार्थी
lot
हो
of feeling.
तो
Though
उसके
there
घर
was a
एक
lot
बहन
of
थी, तो
test papers,
पता नहीं इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक था या क्या था,
it might have been because of
तो
electric short
उसको आग लगी
circuit,
थी।
and the building
फिर तो फिर
got
से रिपेयर
destroyed,
करे हैं। फिर
and the
अभी जो
building
बना
was
है वो
repaired
बहुत अच्छा
again.
बना है,
And now what is being
भावना
created
से
is
बना
very
है। अच्छा चल ही रहा है।
and it's going
फिर
well now.
न्यूयॉर्क में जब हम आए
And when we came to New York,
तो वहाँ भी जैसे फिर यूएन में गए
we went to
तो
the
दादी
UN.
गुलजार आई, उन्होंने भोग लगाया।
Dadi ji came, she offered bhog.
बहुत अच्छी, हमने कहा कैसे सर्विस बढ़े, क्या करें।
We're thinking, how can the service
यानी जब
enhance? What
गुलजार
can
आई
we
तो उससे
do?
पहले मैंने जैसे बताया कि निर्मल शांता दादी आई,
Nirmal
दीदी
Shanta
मनमोनी
Dadi
आई,
came,
रमेश भाई
Manmoni
आए।
Didi came,
तो
Ramesh
जब
Pai had
मकान लिया
come.
ना उसके बाद उस नए मकान में जो अभी भी क्वींस में सेंटर है, हमारी
So in the Queen's,
गायत्री बेन वहाँ रहती हैं।
Gayatri Ben stays in the
जी,
Queen's
मनमोहिनी
Center.
दीदी की तो वो लास्ट ट्रिप, क्योंकि 83 में तो उन्होंने फिश
This was probably the last trip for
मनमोहिनी
Manmoni Didi,
तो
who
ये
came to
82
New
में आई
York.
होंगी।
So she must have come in 1982, isn't it?
81 में
81
Must have come in 81.
80 और 81 में निर्मल
Between
शांता
80
दादी,
and
मनमोहनी
81 she came.
दीदी।
Manmoni Didi had come, Nirmal Shanta Dadi had come.
और जैसे मैं कल बता रही थी ना कि
And
3
as I was
अपार्टमेंट
sharing
थे,
yesterday, there were 3
तो
apartments.
1986 में एक बहुत बड़ा प्रोग्राम था।
In 1986, there was a big program. She's trying to, losing her voice now. She was talking about service in the Florida.
Miami.
So you went to Miami.
अच्छा,
82 में आपको याद है?
Do you remember in 82 about traveling to Miami, Tampa with Dadi Janki? She's asking. Her
एक
voice is feeble.
भाई हैं रिक भाई और सैंडी,
There's a
अभी भी
brother called
पीस
Brother
विलेज के सामने
Rick
रहते हैं।
and Sister Sandy. They both are
गर्मियों
still there.
सर्दियों में फिर फ्लोरिडा जाते
In the
हैं।
summer
मेक्सिको
months,
गए
they
थे,
are right in
बर्नार्ड
front
आए
of
हैं,
Peace Village, and during
अच्छा।
winter time, they go back to
फिर
Florida.
उन्होंने दादी को लिखा कि
So they wrote
कि
to
काफी
Dadi
बड़ी
ji
प्रॉपर्टी थी
because a
लैंडो
big
लेक
property
टेम्पा में।
in
तो वो
Tampa,
प्रॉपर्टी में काफी जैसे बिल्डिंग जैसे पीस विलेज की तरह
like how you have
लेक भी
Peace
था,
Village. There was a lake,
तो उनके पास हम गए।
so we went
तो
to them.
दादी
Brother
जानकी
Rick
ने
and
लंदन
Sister
से बॉडी
Sandy.
बहन को भेजा,
So Janki Dadi sent Sister Body from London to
तो
go
वो भी
there.
आई और
So she came.
उन्होंने कहा कि आप उनसे पहले भी जाके आए,
क्या
दादी के साथ
So Sister
पहले।
Body mentioned that you had gone to Miami or Tampa
तो
prior
जब
to
हम
her
गए
visit.
कि
So when
जयंती
I
बहन और
went,
दादी जानकी
Jayanti
गए,
Ben also was
तीनों।
there, and Dadi Janki. 3 of us were there.
तो फिर उसके बाद उन्होंने
And
कहा कि
after
दादी
that,
जी को बुलाएं।
let's call Dadi ji.
तो एयरपोर्ट से वो छोटा प्लेन हेलीकॉप्टर लेके
So they
दादी को
took a
लेके
small
गए और
plane.
सभी तरफ से, मैं समझती हूँ उस समय बहुत लोग नहीं थे, हम
We were
70
not too
80
many
100
people.
जो आसपास के थे सभी आए थे वहाँ पर
Whoever
दादी को
were
रिसीव
nearby, the
करने हमारे।
neighbors, they all came to receive Dadi
अच्छा
ji.
लगा बहुत, दादी
It was a
बहुत
very,
खुश हुए।
Dadi really liked it a lot.
और उसके बाद फिर
And after
मियामी गए।
that, we went to Miami. So she first came to Tampa and then went to Miami.
तो मियामी में
So in
पहले
Miami,
जो गए थे ना वो
whoever had
टेम्पा
gone,
से पहले, लेकिन ये जब हम गए तो एक छोटा मकान
so in
मुझे ख्याल
Miami, when
नहीं
we
आ रहा है
went, there
कि
was a
वही है
small
जहाँ अभी
building.
बॉडी
I'm
रहती
not
है,
sure if it is the
जहाँ
same
बाबा
building
का
where
घर
Sister
है।
Wadi is, where Baba's
तो
home
वहाँ
is at
पर
the moment.
उन्होंने कुछ माताएं बुलाई,
So they had called a few
कुछ
mothers.
जना की माता
In
जैसे
which
गीता
Gita Ben
और
was
एक
there, who was Sister
मेरेडिथ
Jenna's
वो भी
mother,
है। जो
Meredith, who's
शुरू शुरू
still
में
there.
आए 4 5,
Those who came in the
दादी
beginning, 4
जानकी ने उनको
5 people,
परिचय दिया, अच्छा
Dadi
लगा।
Janki gave them the
अभी तक भी वो
introduction.
बाबा के बच्चे
They
हैं,
are still Baba's children till today.
मतलब कुछ चले गए लेकिन ऐसे
Some,
बाबा के
of
बच्चे
course,
बन
led,
गए।
and some stayed as Baba's children.
क्योंकि दादी को पता नहीं कैसे पता था कि मियामी एक बहुत
I don't know how
मुख्य
Dadi
जगह है,
knew that
और आज भी
Miami
बहुत
is a very
सुंदर है ना,
important
समुद्र
place. And of
किनारे।
course, it is very beautiful. There is a beach, and the ocean is right
तो
there.
इस तरह से सेवा
So
फ्लोरिडा
that's
में
how
शुरू हुई,
the service in
न्यूयॉर्क।
Florida
So New
started,
York and
and
Florida, New
from New
Jersey.
York, and then Florida started.
तो
And how about
अभी
New
मैं बता रही
Jersey?
थी कि 86 में
So
Mhm.
in 1986,
एक बहुत बड़ा प्रोग्राम था
there was a very big program that happened.
ईयर ऑफ पीस करके
It was
UN
called
की
the
तरफ
Year
से
of
मनाया
Peace
जाता है।
on behalf of the UN. We were
हम लोग
celebrating that.
बहुत थोड़े से थे,
Very few
उमंग
people.
उत्साह बहुत था,
We had a
तो
lot of
हमने
zeal and
सोचा कि
enthusiasm.
वो
So we
सारे
thought
वर्ल्ड में वो
the
प्रोग्राम हो,
entire world, we had
उसकी
done
फिनाले
this,
करनी है,
we
तो
had to
सबका
do
तो
the
न्यूयॉर्क
finale.
में होना चाहिए,
So, and everybody said, let's do it in New York, the
मिलियन
finale.
मिनट्स ऑफ पीस।
It's called the Million Minutes of
बड़ा
Peace.
पॉपुलर था, हमने
It
तो
was a
थोड़ा
very
सोचा था
popular program
110
event.
देशों में, सभी जगह मिलियन मिनट, सब
So,
जगह,
in 110
अफ्रीका में,
countries,
मॉरिशस में, सब
in
जगह।
Mauritius, Africa, everywhere they had done. And they wanted to do the finale
तो
in New York.
उसका फिनाले करना है, तो हमने सोचा कि एक बहुत 10,000 लोगों का हॉल लेंगे हम।
So we decided let's take a hall which can accommodate 10,000 people. Oh, share the flyer story, Didi.
गायत्री बहन भी सामने बैठी हुई है।
Gayatri Ben is also seated in front.
तो अभी मिलियन मिनट्स ऑफ पीस अपील में
In the Million
हमने
Minutes
कहा
of
कि
Peace
न्यूयॉर्क की
appeal.
पॉपुलेशन है, कम से कम 1 मिलियन फ्लायर
So we
हमको
knew the
बनाने चाहिए।
population of New York was about 1 million, and we should at
अभी
least
1
have
मिलियन फ्लायर के लिए
1
पैसे
million
भी
flyer,
चाहिए,
and we also
तो
need
हम
that much
सबने ये
money.
सोचा कि
So we all thought
एक बॉक्स बनाएंगे बाबा
we'll
का,
make a
जिसमें
box
सब अपने
for
घर
Baba,
से
and
जो पेनीज
everyone,
होती है ना,
whatever pennies that
जो
are
कि
there in their
बॉटल
home,
में
they
रखे जाते हैं ना,
collect
वो
that,
लेके आएंगे सब।
like the piggy bank. They'll
उसकी
bring
हम
that.
एक कुछ यादगार बनाएंगे।
So then we'll make a
और हम
memorial
सभी
of
बहनों
that.
ने भी सोचा कि हम
So
क्या
we
करें,
we
हमारे पास तो
sisters
अपने
decided
पैसे तो
that we
नहीं,
don't have our own money, so what do
तो
we do?
बचत करें हम।
So we'll start
तो उन दिनों में
saving.
टी बैग
In
से
those
चाय
days,
बनाते थे,
we used to make tea
एक
out of
कप
tea
फिर अब
bags.
2 कप बनाए,
So instead of 1 cup, we started to make 2 cups from
जैसे
1
कई
tea
बार
bag.
मैनहट्टन सारा दिन खाना ले जाते थे,
So
तो
sometimes
सोडा
we
या
we
कुछ
would take
खरीदना,
we would buy soda, when we travel the whole day in Manhattan.
तो वहाँ
So
खरीदते हैं तो
instead of,
85
if we
सेंट
buy
का,
over
मार्केट
there,
से खरीदो
it would be
तो
85 cents in
35,
the
हमने कहा
market.
ये भी
I mean, if you
50
buy it
बच
in the
जाएगा,
market, then it is
ऐसे
35.
बचत
So we
करते
save
करते
50 cents. So like
पेनीज
that, we
डालते
started
रहते
to
थे
save and we
घर
started
घर।
to put our pennies
तो ये
and we
बहनों की तरफ
collected a
से
good amount.
कंट्रीब्यूशन था।
And that was our contribution from the
अभी
sisters'
फ्लायर
side.
छपाएं कैसे,
And
रखें
then
कैसे,
how do we
तो
get the
गायत्री
flyers
बहन और मैं
printed? Where do we store them? So myself and Sister
ऐसे
Gayatri.
येलो पेजेस में देख
So we
करके
we looked up in the yellow
पीछे
pages and we
डाउनटाउन
called.
में
And it was in
एक बहुत
absolutely in
बड़ी
downtown.
प्रिंटिंग उसमें
There was
पहुंचे,
a big printing company where
बहुत बड़ी
we
बिल्डिंग,
reached
सब
there.
बंद था,
It was a big building
दरवाजा
and many things were
खटखटाया,
closed.
2
We knocked
व्यक्ति
on the
आए,
door and there were 2
दरवाजा
people
खुला,
who
हम
came.
दोनों को
The
देख
door
करके थोड़ा
opened. They saw
सफेद कपड़े थे,
2 of
कोई
us in white clothes.
चमक धमक कोई
There
पर्स
was
वर्स
no,
तो नहीं,
it was not like a
उन्होंने अंदर
fashion
बुलाया,
or
तो
they
गायत्री बहन
called
ने
us in.
उनसे
So then Sister
बात की कि
Gayatri
हमको ऐसे
spoke
ऐसे,
to them and said
तो
like
बोले
this,
कि
it's a
कहाँ
program. And
रखोगे,
so they asked,
ट्रांसपोर्ट
where are you
क्या
going
है,
to
अभी हमारे
keep?
पास थोड़ी
What
ट्रक
is the
है
transport?
और
We didn't have
रखेंगे
a
कहाँ,
truck. Where do we even
हमने कहा
store them?
प्रिंट करके
So we
रखो,
said,
हम ले जाया
you
करेंगे,
print and keep it and we'll
ट्रैवल में
keep
थोड़े
taking
थोड़े
from
ले
there.
जाया
Little by
करें।
little we'll take from you.
तो इस तरह से जैसे वो
So
मतलब
this is
छपे
how
फ्लायर और हम
the
बांटते
flyers
गए
got
बांटते
printed
गए।
and we started to publish. We started
तो
to
जब हम
distribute.
लोग इस चर्च में प्रोग्राम करना है बहुत बड़ा,
So when
सेंट
we had to
सेंट
do
जॉन
a
द डिवाइन
program,
कैथेड्रल,
such a big
तो वो
program, and
भी
it was in
लेके
St.
कहानी
John's
बहन
Cathedral.
गायत्री बहन
And
और
that
मैं
also is the story. Myself
गए,
and
तो
Sister
वो
Gayatri
जो बड़ा
went there.
चर्च का था वो भाई नहीं था, उसके जो
It was
नीचे
a
हैं,
big church, and that brother
तो आप लोगों ने ये जो
wasn't
प्रोग्राम
there.
देखा ना, उसमें
You must have seen this
लॉयड
program
कैनन कैसन करके थे,
with the Cannon
वो थे
Castle.
उस समय पे।
He was there.
तो वो अपना अनुभव सुनाते हैं कि मैंने इनको देखा तो मेरे को
He
ये
was
लोग
sharing
चर्च
his
पे वहाँ पे
experience.
उनसे ही मिले थे आप?
हाँ
अच्छा।
मिले
They had
तो
met,
फिर उनको हमने
Didi met
मधुबन
them.
बुलाया था
We
और
also
ऐसे ही उनको,
invited them to Madhuban.
तो क्या था कि अभी हमारे पास इतने बड़े उसके लिए आप पीए सिस्टम,
We need a PA
लाइट,
system for
स्टेज,
such a big, for us, we need a stage, we need
40,000
lighting,
ये तो
sound,
हमने
so
कहा नहीं,
many
हम
things.
तो
There was
किसी को
about
चार्ज नहीं
80,000
करते,
or
हमारे
anything
पास
like
तो
that. We
सब
said
फ्री
we don't
होता है,
charge anything for any
लोग
of our
कोई आएंगे तो
services,
आप भी,
people to come here
तो
for
उसने कहा
free.
कि
So you also do some
मतलब
concessions.
थोड़ी
So,
लंबी कहानी है,
so it's a
लेकिन
long story, but
एंड में भाई गीत
so the
गाने वाला
price was
सिंगर
high, and
तो
we also need someone
10,000
to
लेता
sing.
है,
We have, and he charges
कुछ
about
भी कहें
10,000.
पैसे यहाँ तो बहुत,
So there's a lot of money involved for anything that you would
तो
ask. So foreigners, I mean, the guest also started to come. Sister Maureen and the whole team from UK came. We didn't have either money and nor a program in hand. Said, okay, it's not there. So what? The Jayantiban is coming, and then both the dadis, they had already come, Janki Dadi and Dadi Prakashmani. So we said, okay, so let's send them to Washington. So Brother Santiago, who's still there in Santiago, in Peace Village, so he booked a room in the hotel. So there were just 2 or 3 people who had come, and they sat around, and we said, Dadi, when they were just climbing the flight, those days we could go till the gate and drop them. And I said, Dadi, we have a little situation. They never heard about the situation. She said, okay, everything will be fine. She didn't even hear about the situation. We came back, and 8 or 10 people were seated, and we said, everything will be okay. Everything will be okay. We said that. And the first call that we made, and we found one singer, and said, well, I usually charge a lot, but I will take $4,000 for this. And that song, We Are One Family, it became so popular. He was the one who sang that. And then minimum charges for the PA system we've got. We also got the lighting done. And the hall was full. And when both the daddies came, at that time, where would the daddies stay? Of course, we did have Baba's home, but where would they stay? But there were so many guests. There were 60 people, 60 guests. And we had to cook for 60 people. We had to accommodate 60 people. And the hotels are very expensive in New York. So we thought, let's take a motel in New Jersey and accommodate them there. In those days, Jai Shri Ben and Brother Ravindra had started to come. The class was full in Queens. Her sister, Sister Malti and Kirti Bai, I just spoke to them on the phone. They had a motel, and they also had a big house. So we said, we'll come and we stay. Is that okay? And it was a small motel with 10 to 15 rooms. They said, you come. So we stayed there with them. With both the daddies stayed there with them. And from there, the service in New Jersey started. So slowly. And when Dadi Gulzar came, she shared 2 things. I still remember. You want to share a little bit about the finale of the program? The program happened. It was interfaith people who came. There was a procession. It was a very nice program. About 9,000 people had come. The hall was full. And I think that we are doing a big program. And those days, we didn't have anything. We were hardly a few people. And Eric Pai from New York, he said, he had just come in knowledge from Chicago and said, I can drive. I can come and help in driving. So he had also come to New York. He also helped us a lot. Like that, many of them offered service. Brother Charlie had come. All the main brothers and sisters of the world. We had to present the minutes, million minutes from the entire world. And you might have seen some pictures. We had done more than 1 million minutes, collected more than 1 million minutes. And we also we went to present it to the Secretary General. You might have seen a picture where Dadi Prakashmani is presenting. And at that time, they gave us the Peace Award to Dadi Prakashmani. And whichever country had collected the maximum number of minutes, so they received about 6. One was the main award, and then the other countries.
तो गुलजार
think
दादी
that's
जब
good.
भोग लगा रही थी,
So when Dadi Gulzar was offering
एक
bhog,
तो गुलजार दादी ने ये दिखाया कि कैसे
Dadi
हर
showed us
छोटे
that
प्लेन में बैठा है,
how each one is sitting in
फिर
a
सभी
small
प्लेन उड़ रहे
plane
हैं,
and
फिर
all the planes are
बाबा बोलता अभी
flying.
उड़ो,
And Baba said
तो
fly.
कईयों का तो उड़ा, कईयों का
So
उड़ा ही नहीं।
some planes flew and
तो
some
कारण क्या था?
aircraft didn't fly. What was the
निश्चय है
reason?
पर नशा नहीं है।
Faith, but there's no intoxication.
तो जिनको नशा नहीं था उनका
So
प्लेन
those who
उड़ा।
didn't have intoxication, their
और
flights
दूसरा
didn't take
मतलब
off.
ये था कि
And
आप लोग बाहर
secondly,
जाओ,
you
यहाँ
go
तक आप,
out
क्योंकि बहुत बड़ा है ना, 5 boroughs हैं,
because there are
ब्रुकलिन,
5 boroughs. There's
ब्रॉन्क्स,
Brooklyn, there is
स्टेटन
Bronx,
आइलैंड,
there's
मैनहट्टन,
Staten Island,
क्वींस,
there's
5
Manhattan, there's
boroughs हैं।
Queens. There are the 5
तो लोग
boroughs
आ नहीं
in New
पाते
York.
हैं, आप लोग
So when
जाओ।
people can't come to your place, so you
तो
have to go.
फेंटन भाई आए थे,
So
उन्हें घेरा
Fenton,
मैंने,
Brother Fenton had
उन्होंने
come those
ब्रुकलिन में
days.
थोड़े सा
So
सेवा
he
शुरू
started to
की।
do service in
ऐसे धीरे
Brooklyn.
धीरे
And so slowly
मैनहट्टन
the
में एक बहुत
service
छोटा सा
in
कमरा लिया
Manhattan in a very small
पब्लिक के लिए,
for
मतलब।
public, we took a very small space.
तो ऐसे ही न्यूयॉर्क में बाहर जाना सब जगह
So that's
शुरू
how we
किया हम
started
लोगों ने।
service in New York, doing
ऐसे
service
सेवा धीरे
outside.
धीरे बढ़ने लगी।
And slowly the
तो
service
न्यू
expanded.
जर्सी में ये देखो,
This is the Million
दादी
Minutes
प्रकाश मणि
Award,
को
which the
पीस
Dadi
अवार्ड
is getting
दिया
the
है।
Peace Award for Dadi Prakashmani.
उस समय देखो ना दादियों के लिए कितना सहज था, प्लेन में बैठ
So,
के आ
so
जाते थे,
easy.
राइट।
They would just climb, hop on the plane and reach.
फिर उसके बाद तो दादी हर
And
दूसरे
after
साल
that,
आती रही, कुछ ना
every
कुछ
other year,
अच्छे
Dadi
अच्छे
would
प्रोग्राम हम
come
करते
and
रहे।
we would do nice programs for her.
तो काफी फिर विस्तार है उसका।
And there's a lot of
फ्लोरिडा
expansion
में
in
शुरू
that.
हुआ, उधर
It
वेस्ट
started
कोस्ट
in
में
Florida, West
विनीत बहन और
Coast.
चंद्रू बहन
Sister
ने सेवा
Denise
शुरू
and brother
की।
and
फिर
Chandru
लॉस
Pen started
एंजलिस
to
में कोई
do, and
फैमिली
then
थी,
Los Angeles there was
उन्होंने
a
शुरू
family
किया।
who they
आई
started
थिंक हर
service
एक
there.
स्थान की अपनी अपनी
I'm
काफी डीप
sure
हिस्ट्री है ना दीदी।
every place has its own little history,
थैंक यू
isn't
दीदी।
it?
हम कल
Thank you,
आपसे
Didi.
ये सुनना चाहेंगे,
Tomorrow
ये
we would
तो
like to
हुआ
hear
यहाँ की सेवाएं बढ़ना,
the
लेकिन
services of
सेवाएं बढ़ते बढ़ते
here.
हर
As the
साल आप
services
मधुबन भी जाते
expanded, you were
होंगे
also going to
और
Madhuban for every
यहाँ
year,
से बाबा की नई
and
फुलवाड़ी भी लेके जाते
you would
होंगे
also take some
और
nice
गैस भी लेके
bouquet over
जाते
here
होंगे,
and
उनकी भी
guest
अपनी
also
स्टोरीज
from
हैं,
here.
तो
So
वो
I'm
भी
sure
हम
there are
सुनना
stories.
चाहेंगे।
We would
फिर
like to hear
इन्होंने
those
फिर
stories.
1980 में
Apart from
इधर
this,
की
in
तरफ से
1980,
अर्जेंटीना
from
की तरफ
Argent,
से निमंत्रण
we
आया।
got
तो
invitation
पहले तो
from
लंदन से
Argentina.
सुदेश बहन गई,
First from London, Sudesh
फिर
Ben
ब्राजील
went,
का आया। तो
and
ब्राजील
then
और गयाना तो बॉर्डर है,
Brazil and
तो
Guyana, they
फिर
have
जयंती
they're
बहन और
next to each
दादी
other.
जानकी वहाँ गए।
So
फिर
Dadi
लंदन
Janki
से
and Jayanti
वो
Ben went
सेवाएं
there.
बढ़ती गई।
So through London, a lot of service
फिर
expansion
दादी
started to
प्रकाश
happen.
मणि को कैन भाई ने बोला कि
And
लंदन तो
then
दूर है, न्यूयॉर्क
Brother Ken,
पास में है,
Brother Ken
तो
was
क्यों न
sent
मोहिनी
to
बहन
Brazil.
इधर की सेवा करें।
And Dadi
फिर तब से
Prakashmani
लेकर
said,
के
it's too far,
अर्जेंटीना,
so let Moini Ben take
ब्राजील,
care of
चिली,
those countries.
फिर
Then he
धीरे
started
धीरे
to expand in
मैक्सिको से
Chile.
पहले ऐसे लैटिन
Um,
अमेरिका कंट्रीज
so
गए
Latin
जो
American countries
न्यूयॉर्क
service
से
started.
आने जाने
So from
लगे।
New York, they started to
और जहाँ
coordinate
भी
and
देश में कुछ
go.
नया शुरू होता था
So anything in the
तो
foreign
लैटिन
countries
अमेरिका जाते
in
थे,
Latin America, we would go
न्यूयॉर्क से।
मतलब कि
to
न्यूयॉर्क के
support
साथ
from.
साथ पूरे
So
रीजन
through
में
New
भी धीरे
York, the
धीरे धीरे
entire
विस्तार होने
region,
लगा,
slowly the
कई
expansion
कंट्रीज में
happened.
वगैरह।
मतलब लंदन में कोई मैक्सिको का गया होगा,
So from London, they
फिर
might have
लोग
gone to
जाते हैं तो
Mexico.
बोलते हैं
And
हमारे
when
देश
they
में आओ,
go, say, oh,
ऐसे
some people
करके।
invite them, oh, come to our country. So like that, the expansion
थैंक यू
happened.
दीदी,
Thank you
बहुत
very much,
खजाना है
Didi.
ये तो।
There's a lot of treasure.
अभी समय समाप्त हो गया है, इसलिए
And
हम यहाँ पर विराम देंगे, लेकिन
so we'll
आगे
stop
और
here.
भी
But I'm
आप
sure
और भी स्मृतियाँ लाके और हमें
you keep
सुनाएंगे तो
reminding,
और हमारी जो भी
emerging in
रहेगी
your memory,
अनुभव
and
से।
keep filling our
तो थैंक यू
aprons with
दीदी,
your
और कल हम आगे
experience
कंटिन्यू
and
करेंगे।
memory. We'll continue
ओम
this
शांति।
further
अपनी
tomorrow.
तरफ से कोशिश करेंगे पूरी।
I will try on my side
ओम
to
शांति।
recollect from my memory track. Om Shanti.
देखो नीचे कितने लिखे हैं। देखो Claudia, you can go sit. Yeah, sit on that chair there. Oh, sorry.